Hello and welcome everyone to The Storytellers. In today's video, we will be learning about Earth and the solar system. Now, let us start the video. Before knowing about the solar system, we must be knowing what universe is. It can be defined as the totality of all existing, which is star, sun, moon, everything around us. Means हमारे चारों तरफ जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, planet हैं, stars हैं, they are called as universe, or they are called as celestial body of universe. Animal, plant, mineral, gases, everything, whether they are living or they are non-living, they are a part of universe. Now there are few specific terms in universe which we can see. First one is nebula. Nebula is a huge mass of gas and dust. Means बहुत सारा गैस होता है और बहुत सारे डस्ट होते हैं. It is nebula that create the celestial bodies, and that's why it is called as the mother of all the stars and celestial bodies. Means nebula से ही सारे stars और celestial bodies बनती हैं, इसीलिए हम इसको mother of celestial body कहते हैं. This is how a nebula looks like. Coming to the second thing, which is stars. Now, huge mass of burning gases. बहुत बड़ा सा gases जो बहुत ज़्यादा burn कर रहे हो या गर्म gases हो, they are emitting light and heat. बहुत ज़्यादा light और heat को emit करते हैं in the space. Stars are varying in the size. बड़े भी हो सकते हैं, काफ़ी छोटे भी हो सकते हैं. What you see at night just a fraction of total number of stars present in the universe. Means जो हमें रात को दिखाई देता है, stars उतने बड़े नहीं होते हैं. They are even larger than the earth. 1000 times larger than the earth. पर वो अर्थ से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हैं, इसीलिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Coming to the next topic, which is constellations. कई बार क्या होता है, जो स्टार्स होते हैं वो एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न में होते हैं. दे विल मेक अ बॉक्स और दे विल मेक अ ट्राइंगल और हमेशा सेम डायरेक्शन में ही रहेंगे. तो जब भी स्टार्स ऐसा कोई फिक्स पैटर्न बनाते हैं तो हम उसको बोलते हैं कॉन्स्टलेशंस. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं इसके. उर्सा मेजर, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज सप्तऋषि. You can see it looks like this. Whenever you will see in the sky, you will find like this in the sky. This is how Saptarishis or Ursa Major look like. We also have Ursa Minor and Orange Belt or the Cassiopeia. They are also the stars which are having a perfect shape or definition which is always fixed. Means इनका जो shape और structure है वो कभी भी नहीं बदलता. Coming to the next one, which is galaxy. How a galaxy is? Many constellations, suns and all the stars we see at night are one galaxy. Means सारे के सारे sun, stars और अदर celestial bodies सब मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं, एक बड़ी सी गैलेक्सी बनाते हैं. A galaxy looks like this, and there are millions of stars in a patch of galaxy. Even they are unnumberable. You can't even count how many stars are there in the galaxy. This belt of galaxy is known as Milky Way, in which we live. अगर जिस गैलेक्सी में हम रहते हैं उसको हम मिल्की वे कहते हैं. और in Hindi it is called as Akash Ganga, and there are many more galaxies like this. Let us take further. Planet. Planet are the celestial bodies. They are huge masses जिनमें gases होती हैं, dust particles होते हैं. They are solid in nature. Means यहाँ पर सिर्फ dust और gases ही नहीं होंगी, solid land भी होगा जिसको जो hollow नहीं होगा. And revolve around the star. और ये एक स्टार के चारों तरफ घूमते रहते हैं. On a fixed path called orbit. और जिस रास्ते पर ये घूम रहे होते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं orbit. Which is not absolutely circle but elongated or elliptical. और ये जो इनका रास्ता है, पाथ है, वो सर्कल नहीं है, गोल नहीं है, ये ओवल शेप्ड है, एग के जैसा है. They may be other bodies but categorized as planet and stars. Planet are those जिनके पास अपनी खुद की लाइट नहीं होती है, and stars are those जिनके पास अपनी खुद की लाइट होती है। मे बी टू स्मॉल, छोटे हो सकते हैं, और एरोटिक ऑर्बिट्स, इनकी जो ऑर्बिट होती हैं उसमें बहुत बड़े पाथ में प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं। प्लैनेट्स आर many sizes, are of many sizes, means it can be this small or it can be this huge or larger than this or tinier than this. They do not have their own light and heat but reflect the light of other stars. जैसे हमारा अर्थ है, अर्थ इज़ अ प्लैनेट, अर्थ को हीट कहाँ से मिलती है? फ्रॉम द सन. So earth is a planet because it is circular, have solid mass. Solid mass in case of earth is land, जिस पर हम रहते हैं, और हमें हमेशा जितनी भी लाइट मिलती है that is found from sun. Now what is sun? Sun is the closest star to earth. It looks like this and it is a huge ball of burning gases. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि सन हमारी अर्थ के बहुत पास है. It is 13 lakh किलोमीटर और nearly 100 times of the earth's volume, and that is 10 lakh times larger than the earth. मीन्स ये अर्थ से बहुत दूर है और अर्थ से बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. And it is too hot obviously. 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस is the temperature of earth's surface. That's why हम अर्थ पे भी सन की गर्मी को फील कर सकते हैं, हीट और लाइट को फील कर सकते हैं. It emit a lot of heat and light to the directions, in all the directions. It has gravitational pull which keeps the planet moving in their orbits. Means जैसे हमारी अर्थ के पास ग्रेविटी है, ऐसे ही सन के पास भी अपनी ग्रेविटी है, जो अलग अलग प्लैनेट को इससे दूर नहीं जाने देती है, इसके चारों तरफ घूमने में हेल्प करती है, रिवॉल्व करने में हेल्प करती है. It is near about 150 million kilometer from the earth. Now what is the importance of sun in our life? हमें सन की ज़रूरत क्या है? अगर सन नहीं होगा तो there will be no source of heat. मीन्स कभी भी अर्थ पे दिन नहीं होगा, कभी भी गर्मी नहीं होगी अर्थ पे. So it would become too cold. और सारे के सारे वाटर बॉडीज़ जो अर्थ पे हैं, पीने का पानी बिल्कुल नहीं बचेगा, सब आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. कभी भी डे नहीं होगा, हमेशा सर्दियाँ रहेंगी और बर्फ़ जमी रहेगी ऑन द अर्थ. हीट एंड लाइट फ्रॉम द सन आर असेंशियल सोर्स ऑफ फूड. हमने हमेशा पढ़ा है सन से क्या आता है? हीट आता है, और उस हीट की वजह से प्लांट्स फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं और उस फोटोसिंथेसिस से हमें फूड मिलता है. सो अगर सन ही नहीं होगा तो फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा और फिर हमें खाना भी नहीं मिलेगा. सन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द अर्थ टू चेंज इट्स सीजन्स. अगर सन नहीं होगा तो कभी भी समर सीज़न ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि देयर विल बी नो हीट. Sun causes the water and air current causes the movement of the weather. We will read in further classes that जब भी एयर वार्म हो जाती है वो कोल्डर रीजन की तरफ मूव करती है, एंड सेम फॉर द वाटर. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा, एयर और वाटर एक जगह से मूव नहीं करेंगे, तो एक जगह हमेशा गर्म एयर और वाटर रहेंगे और दूसरी जगह हमेशा ठंडा एयर और वाटर रहेंगे. लेकिन अगर सन नहीं है तो ना गर्मी कॉज होगी, ना ही मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर एंड वाटर कॉज होगा. Next is solar system. Solar system is all the planets which are revolving around sun. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You can learn this with the help of you can learn the planets of solar system with the help of this sentence. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My is Mercury, V is Venus, E is Earth, M is Mars. Just is Jupiter. Served is Saturn. Us is Uranus. Nuts is Neptune. You can learn the name of planets this way. Now let us take a look about these planets as well. We will learn about the planets in the same sequence they are. We will start with Mercury. Let us take a look how solar system looks like. It looks like this. This is the sun and these are all planets revolving around the sun. What happens when these planets are revolving around the sun? This is the Mercury closest to sun. So the Mercury is closest to Sun and it do not have any satellite. Satellites are artificial bodies which are satellites are artificial bodies which are revolving around the planets. See, अर्थ सन के चारों तरफ रोटेट कर रही है और मून इज़ रोटेटिंग अराउंड द अर्थ. मून अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूम रहा है. तो वो सारी की सारी बॉडीज़ जो किसी भी प्लैनेट के चारों तरफ घूमते हैं तो वो रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द प्लैनेट. दे आर कॉल्ड एज सैटेलाइट्स. सो मरकरी डू नॉट हैव एनी सैटेलाइट ऑन इट. And it also takes 88 days for Mercury to complete a revolve around the sun. मीन्स सन का एक चक्कर लगाने में मरकरी को लगते हैं 88 days and it rotates on its axis in 59 days. मीन्स मरकरी पर एक दिन 59 days का होगा when it compared to Earth. Now coming to the Venus. Venus is the second planet. After Earth, you can see there is a planet which is almost of the same size. This is called as Venus. Venus is twin of Earth. Means Venus का size उतना ही बड़ा है जितना बड़ा हमारी Earth का size है. Also, जो Venus है that takes 225 days to complete a revolution. Means that is also same as on Earth. Earth takes 365 days and Venus takes 255 days. You can even see the Venus in the sky in the morning. Now coming to the Earth. Earth takes 365 and a 1/4 day to complete a revolution. It is the third planet from the Sun and it looks like blue in color because Earth has a lot of water. So because of presence of water, Earth is blue in color. Now Earth has Moon as a satellite which revolves around it. And it is geoid in shape. What means being geoid in shape? Means the Earth is not absolute circle. It is like this. It has bulging out areas in the center and at the corners it is little flattened, little lesser. जो सेंटर है वो ज़्यादा बड़ा है और जो दोनों कोने हैं वो कंपैरेटिवली थोड़े छोटे हैं जिन्हें हम पोल्स कहते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल्स. नाउ अर्थ अपने आप में एक बहुत यूनिक प्लैनेट है, पर ऐसा क्या है जो इसको यूनिक बनाता है? अर्थ में वाटर है, लैंड है, एयर है, ठीक है. दे आर फेवरेबल टू सस्टेन. हम वहाँ रह सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन जैसी गैसेस प्रेजेंट हैं. इट ऑल्सो मेक्स अर्थ स्पेशल देन अदर प्लैनेट ताकि हम वहाँ पर रह पाएँ. बिकॉज विदाउट एटमॉस्फेयर, विदाउट गैसेस वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू लिव ऑन अर्थ. Next one is Mars. Mars is next planet. Mars is red in color. That's why it is called as red planet. Now, Mars has asteroid belts, means ring around it. You can see as we have. This is the Mars. It will be having a ring of asteroid. Asteroid means small rocks. It will be having a belt of small rocks around it who will be revolving the Mars. Coming to the next one, which is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet of the solar system. It is the largest one. Means ये पूरे के पूरे solar system का सबसे बड़ा planet है. And it finished a rotation in 9 hours and 59 minutes. Nearly 10 hours. मतलब जो दिन होगा on the Jupiter, it will be of 10 hours in compared to Earth. हमारे दिन के 10 hours के बराबर एक दिन होता है on the Jupiter. And it has 16 satellites और moons. और Jupiter के पास 16 moons हैं. Coming to the next planet which is Saturn. Saturn second largest planet है after the Jupiter. और what is the specific feature of Saturn? Saturn has the rings. It revolves around the sun in 29 years and 5 months. Means a year on Saturn is 29 years and 5 months. And it also takes 10 hours to complete its rotation. Means a day will be of 10 hours on Saturn. And it also has 30 satellites. They are far more than any other planet. Next one is Uranus. It is the seventh planet of the solar system. It also rotates around the sun, and it takes 84 years for it to take a circle of sun. Uranus takes 84 years, means 84 years on Earth is equals to 1 year on Uranus. It rotates in 17 hours and 14 minutes, means our day length will be 17 hours and 14 minutes on Uranus, and it has 17 satellites or moons revolving around it. Next one is Neptune. This is the eighth and furthest planet of the solar system. This is further the largest planet, and it is called as blue planet because it appears blue, and the blue color of Neptune is not because of water, it is because of methane present on the Neptune, and it revolves around the sun in 164 years, means 164 years on the Earth is equals to 1 year on Neptune. On its own axis, it rotates in around 16 hours and 7 minutes, means our day will be of 16 hours and 7 minutes. It has 8 satellites or moons. Now coming to the celestial bodies, they are moons. Moons are all those satellites which are revolving around the planet. They are called as moons. As Earth has one moon, I told you Saturn has 30 satellites or moons, Uranus has 17 moons, and Jupiter had 13 moons, and so on. There are many moons on different planets, and they are bound with the gravity of those planets, and they always revolve around them. So that's why they are called as satellites of the planets. Sometimes artificially we can also launch the satellite around the planets. One of the finest example was Aryabhatta. It was the first satellite launched by India around the Earth. Now, how the moon of Earth is. The moon of Earth is quarter of Earth's diameter, which means if Earth is this huge, it will be 1/4 of Earth's size. It takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete the spin, means on moon the day will be of 27 days on Earth, and it is 3,84,000 km away from the Earth. Whenever at the night time we can see moon in the sky. And the life is not possible on the moon because it is close to Earth, but it does not have the environment, water and gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. Now coming to the other terms, which are asteroids. Asteroids are small rocky celestial bodies, means they are part of rocks, they are celestial and moving around the sun between Mars and Jupiter. With the Mars to Jupiter, they will be there in asteroid belts. Next is meteoroids. Meteoroids are small rocky pieces floating in the space around the sun. They might not be revolving the sun, they might not be rotating around the sun. They will be just there and floating freely in the space. मीटेराइड्स कभी भी ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी प्लैनेट के चारों तरफ ही घूम रहे होंगे या किसी सैटेलाइट की तरह प्लैनेट के या फिर प्लैनेट की तरह सन के चारों तरफ घूम रहे होंगे. वो स्पेस में फ्रीली फ्लोट कर रहे होंगे, कहीं भी हो सकते हैं और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मिलते हैं बिटवीन मार्स एंड जुपिटर. नेक्स्ट इज कॉमेट. वेन एवर एनी ऑफ दीज मीटेरॉइड और एस्टेरॉइड्स, ये जब भी बहुत ज़्यादा गैसेस और एनर्जी की वजह से जब फ्रिक्शन होगा इन द स्पेस, वी कैन सी द लाइटिंग इन दीज कॉमेट्स और मीटेरॉइड्स. So the asteroids and meteorites, and whenever there is fire they looks like this, and this comet is called as comet, means long shining tail with the clumps of ice and gases and dust. They are called as comets and they are also called as Uchchal Tara. इसका finest example है Halley's comet. Last time it was seen in 1989 and after 78 years we can see it again. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe the Storytellers to get notification of more such videos. Thank you. Signing off.